Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Odd English. Today is day 59 of my English speaking challenge, and in this video, today I am going to talk about what I see outside around me. Right now, I am at sitting at my rooftop and talking about what I see around me or outside. First, I see the blue sky, and there are so much trees. My left hand side, there is a cooler, and there are too many plants of flowers, and the leaves are dancing because of wind. And right now, the weather condition is calm and good, and uh, and the sun is shutting down, like sun is going to they are back to normal position, and I also see the aero sorry aeroplanes in the sky, because right now I am at Delhi, and when I come to the my rooftop, then I see the aeroplanes uh, going towards their journey, and there are some birds are also present there, and they are uh, wandering here and there, and talking about uh, and in the street some children are playing, and also at some distance of my home, there are so many children uh, which is dancing and playing and relaxing their body on the roof of their homes, and it's cool, very it look like very cool. And if I look into that right side, then there is a overbridge, or you can say that there is a flyover, and on that flyover there are too many vehicles are going here and there, and inside, and on the my front of house, there is a house. On that house there is a flag, and there is a water tank. On my rooftop also there is a water tank, and on my rooftop color is black, and the in front of that house is white color, and on my rooftop there is a too much toys, because in my room there are three kids present, so they are always playing with toys. So right now I in front of me there is a tractor which is broken, because they are very naughty. They used to play sometimes and broke this toy. So that's it about today. See you guys in next video. Thank you for watching.